Okay, so I'm sharing my screen, and in case my screen is not visible or my audio is gone, kindly do tell me. Let's first see. We have yet 2 minutes to start, so I'll just check the. So we have Aryan, we have Chetan with us, we have Saurabh with us, and yeah, Rajesh. He will be joining a bit late. Okay, so let's wait for around 1 to 2 minutes, then we will start. We already have like most of the people whose PRs we have to discuss. There are also some topics that we will be talking about, but yeah, we will wait for some time. We will be talking about them, I think, at the end or somewhere in the middle. So let me share this doc file with you. So kindly just enter your name inside the chat box, inside the doc, like I'm doing right now. Yeah, we will just wait for 1 more minute and we will be starting. Yeah, so let's start. So hi everyone, I welcome you all to Meshri's website's call. So the objective of this call is to discuss all your primary or your PRs that you have for the sites, for the different sites that we have at Layer 5. For example, starting with layer5.io, then docs.layer5.io, meshri.io, Assistant, the Academy that we just got, and the Layer 5 cloud, and also the badge.layer5.io. So in case you have any of the PRs up for these sites, you can add them here. So we'll be going through your PR. We will be discussing them, what's new, what needs to be changed, and where, like, if you're getting any blockage, where you can like move forward and have some suggestions from us. Okay, so I don't think there's any newcomer with us, but in case if there is someone, so you can like just open your mic and introduce yourself. I think majority of the people are already prior contributors. So yeah, I don't think there are any. So I think we should get started. First, here is a couple of PRs that we have from Rajesh, but he's not here yet. He's told that he will be joining 10 minutes late. So we will directly jump to Aryan's PR. Aryan, you can share your screen and help us go through your PR.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So the first PR I had is like adding the tabs component to the system assistant components page. Yeah.
You have already added all the values, all the props you have already added,
Yeah.
right?
So here
Yeah.
you can see the first two layers and it occupies the full verticals, icons, and let's say.
Yeah, the disabled ones and the thing
But
colored.
color control, quickly next step.
Yeah, the button is not themed, I guess. The next step button is not according to the theme.
Yeah,
Or
you
Yeah, okay,
change the
okay. I'll
button.
fix it. Sorry, I'll fix it. Next is the blue section.
Yeah, 1 minute. I will just go through. Well, yeah, I think you already written majority of the props that we use primarily.
Yeah,
Text only. Yeah, the scrollable ones are also good. The full width ones. And you also given the code, right? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, just change the button, the next
Yeah,
button, the next step button. And the
sure, sure.
majority, I think majority of things are already like, yeah, there's not much here to change. Yeah, 1 minute. I will just, yeah, can you one just show the code?
So this is for adding content. Yes,
Yeah, you
same.
changed it. We added it on there. Okay, got it. Yeah, I think majorly it's good. Yeah, like already following the standard way of writing it.
So my next PR is like on the average page. There was earlier the machinery patch page. So
Yeah.
and the meshmate patch was not present, so I created an issue for extension repo that got fixed, and then I have updated this.
Yeah, can you show the preview? Yeah. Yeah, here one thing I can note the alignment that can see between these two, between the meshmate and the CNCF ambassador batch. You can see the alignment. The meshmate batch is a bit, you can just add if you will try to do width 80%. I think it will fix it because the batch, I think itself,
It's a bit bigger compared to the other
yeah,
normal.
its width is bigger. So yeah, if you try to do width 80, then it may align with all the other batches that are there. Major, it's just a one line change, right?
Yeah, yeah, I have to just add the style for
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me take a look.
change it.
Yeah, I think that's the only issue here. If you will just like try to do width 80% and yeah, majorly it will be aligned with that.
So the next PR is the enhancing the dialogue. So
What was the issue?
earlier, if you had been, if you see the dialogue, it is I can show you. Like, it was not centered and the border was not. And for the rest of the show code button was not. The feature was not on the code section. So I have added code is there. You can copy it and I have made it in the center and given more like the other components.
Yeah, and you also added the content that was missing there.
Yeah,
Yeah, can you one show the, okay, showing the preview. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
This is
showing-
the code.
okay, only the code section was missing, rest of the section was
Yeah,
already.
yeah. Rest was there. Just the code section off.
Yeah.
formatting changes.
The rest of the section looks good to me. 1 minute. Yeah, like can you even show the overview page? Yeah. Yeah, the open dialog you can see there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
change.
it needs to be in the middle.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, that's the one thing there. And it will open a dialog box. And guidance, can you also, yeah, guidance. In the guidance also, yeah, this also needs to. Yeah, we can do one thing like if you have already written the PR currently that can you show the code section once? No, not the code section, the code in the system component.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you have already fixed this one. Yeah, you have fixed this one. So you can like we can like merge this PR, then you can create a new PR for that one.
Sure, sure.
I think because it makes sense. Yeah, one section is completed, so on the PR will like it will be larger in size. So there's not. I don't think there's any issue in the code section here. Only the next two sections that you have to cover, you can cover them in the next PR.
Fine.
Varad, do you have anything to say about this?
No, it's like, I guess it's good to merge. I mean, the things are for
Yeah,
this code section, and there would be another PR for
yeah,
the guidance section.
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
we can,
create the issue for.
yeah, just create the issue and you can assign yourself, or if you are not, you can ask us.
So the next PR is like, yeah, this which we discussed last time. So
Hmm.
I
You,
didn't find any file. I mean, I tried looking for, so I didn't. So I tried to create the custom search bar.
yeah, can you
Okay.
like, okay, can you click on it?
Yeah,
No, I mean, just click on any result that you just searched. Let me check this once.
doesn't get auto focus. Yeah, let's change this. Here also.
If I'm not wrong, I guess this is the search bar is for of a template, or it's part of this particular repo.
It's like the global number for this. It was coming from the Doxy team, so I had created the custom.
No, actually, we have a repo template for all the repos. So I'm not sure that this issue is existing there as well or not. So means if this issue is existing there, then you have to change the root cause, not particular repos. So I'm not sure about that. You mind checking? We have a template repo now, a layer 5 repo template.
Okay,
So you can search that this issue exists there as well,
sure.
because this whole docs is based on that. So if this issue exists there, then you have to make changes there.
Okay.
And if not, then uh, I guess it would be it's good now. If not, if it's exists here
Yeah.
only.
Yeah, so basically, you use the custom search.
Yeah,
Yeah, you replace the in the search classes that were there. Okay, you replaced it with your own classes. Got it.
yeah. Like it was mentioned in the contributing for custom sequence, you have to add it in styles. So in this and that.
We don't have light mode in this. Do we have, Varad?
No, I guess
No, we don't have light mode in that. and this one. One question like that I have, for example, for the use of colors that we have used,
Yeah.
and like currently we don't have light mode, but I think in case we if we will have in future, then it might cause trouble because I'm not completely sure about that. Yeah, let me share this link once more. Yeah, for example, at certain points, for example, you can see there like we have used colors like white color. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, one thing that only concern here is like the use, for example, the use of the hard coded colors. Because currently it's working perfectly fine, but we may in future, like if we may go with that thing, then it may occur like a issue will occur there also, because then it will not work. I think we used to have light mode here, but uh, yeah, one thing like, have you checked the contributing guides of this, which talks about the color changing? Yeah, if you will like once, if you will check the contributing guide of like this repository, you will find it talks about how you can like switch between light mode and dark mode for components. But majorly like your PR is like fine, because like last time you were like using the important, and the solution here is making use of custom classes or using your own custom search. That's
It's
perfect.
not present in the contributing. So anything about
Yeah, what you're saying?
in the contributing dot mp, there is nothing about colors.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think then that would be for layer 5 site. Because basically, yeah. But here, like, I think the solution, I think it's good here. Like, only thing Bharat is telling, like, if you will check,
I'll check the template repo, check if it has the same issue.
because yeah, it might be like, because we recently like changed that thing. We recently like transferred. We are like using the doxy, I think, from there. So you can like take a look there. But I think the PR looks already fine. There's like only things like that's the only thing you can do in this case. So do take a look there. I don't think there's
Yeah,
any. Varad, what do you think about this?
Sorry?
Yeah, do you have any other thing to share about this?
No, yeah, the thing, the sidebar on the left, uh, yeah, so I'm sure that means to
yeah,
maintain the consistency, that we have to make sure that both the search bars are same. So that's why I'm sure that this is from the Toxi theme and it's related to the repo template. So do check that out,
yeah. Okay.
because changing one would make this one inconsistent from the others. And also we have this feature now also in our academy.
Yeah. Yeah, but
So
yeah, but I think for Academy, we are like using it from the Academy theme, right?
hmm,
Yeah, you can take reference from there also, because recently there they also made this
yeah,
change.
you can take reference from academy theme, because
Yeah, otherwise your way of doing it is correct, because you're not like overriding it, you're using a custom thing that we also used in our academy when we faced this issue in our academy. We are not able to use search properly, so we made a custom search there also. So like do once check out the academy.
Yeah,
Yeah, otherwise it looks good to me. Like and like make it consistent for all the searches that you will find here.
last year is on the state of the extension. We had to like make it responsive also. So I've added the changes. And
Your voice is a little bit breaking. Like
so,
I think last time Lee told like you made some extra changes.
yeah, like he had told me to make sure it for responsive also. So I pushed the changes for it. I have shared the video when for the mobile screens. I'll play.
I guess it would be responsive if they are all in the same line items in the same column. Means
So,
the topic, the image, the description, and the chip.
Yeah, like he's
so
yeah, instead of like the grid, like first you see the icon, then you see the text. You can keep the icon on top, the text in the bottom.
okay. Like currently, if you make it on mobile screen, the website, it looks something like this. It follows this format. So I kept it according to this.
Yeah, you have basically added okay, you have added media queries. Got it. Yeah, but like do we like need here media or we can like you can use make use of like if you like just use Flexbox or basically okay you're tracking on it.
The text was overflowing in some of the
Mm,
prompts. That
text
was
may be
the
causing issue and that
yeah.
otherwise the other things would completely like they will transform themselves. Okay, so you have used the media queries in case of okay. Yeah, yeah, use them for formatting the text. Mobile, yeah, height to 80 and this. Yeah, but I still think like there can be a better way of like instead of using the use effect which will render on each like whenever you make changes in screen size which will re-render every time. So I still think like there can be a better way of doing it because all of the components that you use they are already like made responsive. Like yeah, can you like show? Yeah, yeah, listening okay and yeah, then you have added is mobile. Yeah. Yeah, you have basically made some small changes based on is mobile. Yeah. Yeah, it's to like one thing that you can try, like instead of making use of is mobile, if you will like as you are already using it inside a grid system.
Yeah.
So using the grid system, you can specify like on XS it must take this size is this must take this amount of columns. On MD it must take six, and on like XS it must take 12. So like here
Yeah.
if you're doing, but it may like affect our screen mode. But yeah, try one thing, try using completely one thing you can do like completely try using the grid system because you're
So
already
like
using grid here. Yeah,
yeah.
you're
So
already yeah
I mean, sir, you are telling to try without the use effect, without
yeah
the media.
yeah you can use media queries but instead of using you because I don't think use effect would be necessary to track each of the size change. You can like keep breakpoints at around 768 or around 465 like that. And also the grid automatically likes for reformat, so you just have to add like three properties like XSMD which will specify whenever the screen size, for example the screen size will be smaller than 450, so for each component take full column because the size of screen is small. So like do take a look at it once and yeah you can put because I don't think this method we don't use much particularly like use effect to track each of the screen size and then make changes on top of that. You can just directly like keep some breakpoints and it will be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically the uh, foundation is MUI, so MUI has breakpoints. So you can just go through that. Every component have a different responsiveness on different breakpoints. So you can go through that once. I don't think so. We need a user effect or middleware for that. It would be just using a breakpoints in a very effective way, so it would be changing accordingly.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can
sure.
look at some other pages. For example, some other pages are like they are responsive. You can take a look how the grid works there, or
Yeah,
take a look at the MUI official. You will be able to see how to use the grid columns.
yeah.
Okay, got.
That's it from my side.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Aryan. Your PRs are good. Okay, so do we have Rajesh with us now? I don't think we have Rajesh with us till now.
Yeah, I've pinged him, but he's saying that he's having some issues with Zoom.
Okay. Next we have the next person that we have is my screen is visible, right?
No.
Okay, sorry. Let me share once again.
Yeah, before that, Naman, would you mind sharing the hot topics?
Yeah. s- Uh, so before we proceed, I'll
I think like we should like we have one from Chetan. We should like cover this up, then we will be forward.
Okay,
Okay.
so like, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So, may I share the screen or like you
Yeah,
can
you
go
can
through
share
it?
your screen. Please share your
Okay,
screen.
sure. I think this would be visible to you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
your screen.
Yeah. Cool. So, like, uh, from like 1 or 2 weeks before, I just like go through with the whole code and how the mystery and the layer 5 is working right now, and it's a small fix, like it's not a two use fix I did right now. So the fix is like in that, in the website, let me like open that. Okay, so in this page we have a like contributor training part. So the whole like YouTube links or the embedded link, which is an embedded link right now, so all are good and working fine with this website or this route. But the thing is like this only single like YouTube link or embedded link is not working right now because this is not embedded. Like, I'll go through the code first. And yeah, it's like, yeah, so this is there. Like, previously there is a watch like redirecting to the watch, and that is the reason behind the image is not showing into this visit. Like, and right now I just converted into the embedded link, and it's showing right now. Yeah, it's working fine. And I have some like conversation with uh, Rajesh and one more person like Naveen. So that was look fine to all of like you. And
Yeah, it's good.
yeah, so that's all what I did till now. And I have a small question. Like, can I ask you like right now or like
Yeah.
after? Yeah. So like it's a different question. Like apart from this, like I don't have that access to the Figma style of slash uh, academic uh, that design. So can you like share the like link? I didn't get it from like Slack, and also I didn't have that access to.
Like, can you like share which part? You can share in the chat box. I will take a look at it.
Yeah, sure. So can you please share like feedback on this? Like it's a bit.
Yeah, it's good.
uh,
We can manage it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah, I will take a look at this Figma file. Bharat, can you once take a look? I will. Okay, so we have Rajesh with us. So I think should we first go with Rajesh or some announcements? I think they,
There are some minor announcements just.
yeah, you can like cover them. Okay, first. Yep.
So the first one is a SEO challenge. Currently, when we go through the pages or in Layer5 website, like suppose if you are going through the comparison page, the SEO results are around 78%. And we want to improve the SEO for most of the pages as we can. For an example, uh, if we search service mesh comparison, it should like it should first show the Layer 5 website. Previously, when we were searching, it doesn't show the Layer 5 websites as the top results. So we want to improve that in most of the pages, especially for the articles here and some of the pages like the products and the comparison page.
Yeah, so
So
yeah, yeah, you can say.
yeah, so we'll open an issue about it, and whoever can like help in improving the SEO can take up it.
Yeah. So majorly like guys, it depends, like it depends both on the content and also on the like how the website is structured. If the website is, for example, taking a lot of time into loading, you can like check the SEO score. You will be able to see what's the problem. Like, is it the website performance that's causing this issue, or as we have to rank for the articles, so you can like sometimes the articles are not written properly, or or the keyword that we want to rank for the particular keyword, for example service mesh, we just need to like refactor it, and we just need to like link between different pages, so this improves your SEO score. So if you are interested in doing that, like it requires both from the website performance side. It may be making code changes, like removing unwanted code or removing the JS files that are taking time to load. It can be that, and it also can be on the doc side also. So there will be like you can open a lot of issues on it. You just have to identify the cause. So yeah.
The second announcement is about updating the academy on the websites. The first website will be the handbook. In the handbook, the learning page, it has to be updated with the academy content here. Currently, it contains the previous learning path content,
Yeah.
and we need someone who can help us improve this. The second website is the learning paths. It's in the resources,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
yeah, we need to update this page as well in accordance to the Layer 5 Academy currently.
So are the issues already there, or
No,
like?
the issues will be created. The people can take over these issues currently if they
Oh,
are interested.
okay.
I
Yes.
love.
Yeah, we are
Okay.
looking for some
Hi,
volunteers on these issues.
I was wondering, like, you have to show the other learning paths here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like we have to add, or like we have created some new learning paths, so we have to add them here.
So, okay, so I can work on it.
Yeah, the issues will be open, so you can like get yourself assigned on them.
Also, for the SEO one,
Yeah,
mm, I was working on SEO up time back, so I think I'll also look into it.
yeah. As I told, like if you are able to identify the issues, you can open the issues. There will be a lot of issues on it. It will not be a single issue. So
Okay,
it will be both from the technical side and from the dog side. So
okay,
like there, like any one of you can like volunteer with each other, and you can work on it.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
so yeah, that's it from my side.
Yeah, thank you, Naman. Okay, so let me guys share my screen back, and Yeah, so now we have Rajesh with us. Rajesh, you can share your screen.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible. You can share your screen and help us go through each of your PRs with what was the issue and how you resolved it.
Yeah, just a minute. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible now.
So the first issue is that so adding the links to the cards on Canvas operator page, so that will redirect to respective docs. So it was issue. Let me jump to the preview.
Yeah.
So this is I added one doc icon plus if we click the card, so it will redirect us to the documentation regarding that. So
Yeah.
currently we have only 4 of the contents document related to that. So I have added only 4.
Yeah, I don't think like we need to add the doc link because we don't edit anywhere else. So we don't use it like we like have links on other cards also, but we don't add a doc icon there on the top.
But Lee suggests
He had suggested to add the doc icon.
Lee suggested that.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you like show the light mode? Yeah. Yeah, I checked the links. They look good. They're going to the right ones.
Yeah, so is this doc means this is a true false or just you have added to particular card?
Yeah. For application import, it was directly redirects to import
No,
designs.
I'm talking about the
Yeah,
doc icon.
you can show the code like.
Yeah.
I think he just added the links. The cards were already there.
And
Yeah,
that,
just I added links only. Already card is replay.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the icon. So the icon.
Yeah, he's talking about where you got the icon from. I think it was already there.
Yeah, we have a docs icon.
Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, instead of the color, can you use like system theme token?
Oh, okay, let me try it.
Yeah, it can be. It will be like theme dot palette dot. I think prime. Yeah, prime. It'll be brand dot primary. It will be you will find it in the brand component. The
Okay.
purple green will be in the brand one.
Okay. So next PR is that adding the switch component to the system page.
Yeah.
So I added the switch component here. So already we have a PR on it, but unfortunately it was closed. So I have taken the code from that, and based on the reviews on the PR, I was like updating the things here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you like show the overview ones? Yeah. I just want to see all the props you must have used. Yeah, you have like okay. Yeah, and you explained how to use them inside guidance. Yeah. Yeah, I took a look at it. Yeah. Yeah, you have used. Okay, so sizing you have used. Okay. Disabled. Yeah, color.
Yeah, in the guidance
Yeah.
and last topic, it's use size different.
Yeah, it will be like,
This one, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
it will be whole small.
Okay, I will update it.
yeah, otherwise it looks good.
It will be just size, I think.
Yeah, use and the space and
You
size
have a
small.
space there. You have to add a space there. Got it.
Yeah, we have only size. Okay. So next peer, can I skip to the next peer?
Yeah, I think this is good. You have already like added majority of the things that are needed there.
Yeah. So next issue is that so we have a spacing. Yeah, let me explain. So in this page we have a majority of spacing between the two blocks. So
Yeah.
here you can see like we have a maximum of space, so it will be not good looking. So what I done is that I was like reduce the spacing between the sections.
Like, can you like scroll slowly so I can see the other thing gets updated? Yeah. 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 If you just once show the code also. Yeah, added bottom remove. Okay. Yeah. And the breakpoints, you have reduced the breakpoints. Mm. They can like once show the responsiveness of the screen.
Yeah, sure.
It's good. Yeah, it will be removed. Just make it like a bit bigger.
Okay. Like your font size to be bigger.
No, like go around 700. I think the terminal will not be visible
Oh, okay.
screen. Yeah, a bit more. Like, yeah, go around above
Well,
750.
just make sure that the terminal is visible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I think it looks good. The changes are also like minimum. Yeah, there's not much changes. What do you think? There's anything? I don't think there's anything to change here.
No.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So next peer, yeah. So the issue is that in this page, so in newcomers page, so the mobile, so yeah, so this handbook cover was not fully covered, so this was not good. So and we have a table here. So in mobile we don't have a scroll bar here, so some of the names has been cut down. So what my peer does is that so it will fixes the issue, plus adding the handbook cover also. I think this is the PR. Yeah.
Yeah, like, can you like show once? Yeah, okay. Can you like go down? Just scroll down. Yeah, I think last time the issue there was it was the books was not like looking properly.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Yeah,
I
in
add
mode, can you go in light mode? Yeah.
and in mobile view I have added the scroll horizontal scroll bar also.
Yeah, if you will scroll a bit above. No, to the, yeah, I check that. Can you go a bit on the top, a little bit? Yeah, more. Yeah. Yeah, above, a little above. Yeah. I think is the book like, was it? I think it gets a bit. Yeah, one
Yeah.
minute. Let me take a look.
Yeah, also one thing, the alignment teams, there should be description, then image description. Here, both the images are. I don't think it should be. There should be, I think, a parameter. So it should be like image, description, image description, image. You scroll up a little bit. Yeah, yeah. You see the image first and the description. And if you scroll down, you see the description and image. So it should follow the rule. And you are getting what I'm saying? Yes. Make sure.
Yeah, he's telling add some text below that
No, no,
image.
no. The text is there, but what's happened? So on the big screen, it's like left, right, left, right.
Yeah.
So when we combine, it becomes like image, image. So it just not following the same order. In some part, the image is first and description is later, and some part the description is first and image is later. So just make sure that or open an issue for that. Uh,
Yeah, the two images are like with each other.
Okay, okay.
Can you once show the code here? There are a lot of changes, I think. Yeah. 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 Why change the perspective here? Was it not performing properly, or have you not checked it?
It was not working properly, so that I was changing the perspective.
I don't think it will cause any issue there. Okay, the min height. You have added the min height here also. I think some of the changes like have you made like they're. I don't think they're compulsory here. For example, the padding 0 or the height auto.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you
Like
can.
I will remove the unnecessary things and all.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because there are a lot of unnecessary things. Like the min height is also there. Also, like you're changing the perspective like for the 3D representation, so it would not cause an issue. I think you can like take a look at it. So yeah, it's like we always like try to like do minimum changes.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, for example, like the margin you can see here. So you can take a look, like you have added -10 on the top above.
Okay, okay. I will go
Yeah.
through it.
There are a lot of changes. For example, yeah, you can see the box shadow also. There's no need to change it.
Okay, okay. Let me go through it.
Yeah, once go through like the changes that you made and try to like do the minimum amount of changes. You can see there's a
Yes.
lot of changes and majority of them will not be needed for it. Like if you had a scroll bar and some minor changes, that would be fine. So take a look at it.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, that would be like feedback for this one. Other PR initially they were good ones. Like they don't provide any feedback. So yeah.
So next one is like replacing the learn service mesh CTA to Canvas CTA in some of the pages. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the Canvas CTA. Yeah.
So I have added the thank you page, subscribe page, and unsubscribed also, and mesh books. I have replace. I will update the existing mesh CTA to Canvas CTA. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You will update.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like you have already updated, right? Yeah. Can you run show the code? I checked this PR ones initially. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can move. Yeah. Yeah. Here, like, if you will like explain this thing.
Like in
Yeah.
this in this page only, we don't have a white theme. The canvas text was not in white. So I was override the styling and added here. And we have another page. It was like canvas text was not bold. I don't know what is the reason, but I have added the specific additional override canvas styling to the both of these pages alone.
Yeah, like for example, if you are using the same component canvas CTA, then it might be the issue in that page. So for example, here you can see you have, yeah. So instead of like making the change here, you're making the you're making the change in the particular page. Can you show the page where you're having this issue? I think you're in the wrong PR.
Yeah. Like here you can see the text color is like not white.
Mm-hmm.
So, but in another pages it was like white.
Yeah,
So, and
so
we have
in this page you can see in this page you will like there will be some CSS that would be like overriding it. So instead of adding a new CSS, you can like
okay,
remove that class from it.
okay, sure.
Yeah, so yeah, that would be one thing that you can, because you're adding the same canvas CTA like component. So how can it be different on any other page?
Okay, let me check it out also.
Yeah. You have any other thing?
Yeah, I have my own PR.
Yeah.
So this is a issue. So in a mobile view, so it was like heading was overflowed with the content. So it will be reduce the more readability of the users. So I will like fix it like this. Yeah. Let me go to the preview.
Yeah. Have you like this issue was on a lot of pages? Have you like checked any other page also?
Yeah, like not only in like it was in like handbook pages only.
Yeah.
Like not only in recognition and appreciation, but we have also in repositories also. Like
Yeah.
it will fix both issues. It will like all the pages will be more responsive.
Okay. Okay. You can like take a look at some other pages also later on after this PR. Like we'll merge after this PR. There will be like you will be able to find,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I saw it a couple of times like this issue occurs. Yeah.
It's like added.
Yeah. Can you like show the code changes once? Yeah. Yeah. Like here also you can see like for example, you have in the H1 you have added a padding or you have added a color. You don't need to add color. You don't like need to add font size in the normal screen. Like you can add font size when the media query using media query when the screen size will be smaller.
Okay,
But adding color, you don't need to add color. It will be automatically like handled. And adding font weight or font size, they are also not needed because they will be like they will go out of consistency. Like in case of
okay,
media queries, when the screen size becomes small, then you can add font size to reduce the header size.
okay, okay,
Yeah, that would be one thing. And here also you can see there will be a lot of like CSS changes that would not be needed much. For example, like you have added contain layout. So like I don't see any field like you have added any class layout here also.
okay.
Yeah, so most of the changes are there. We have to just fix that.
Yeah.
So these
Most of the
H1 and
changes. Yeah,
and H1. The most of the changes you have done are defined, so I don't think you have to make the changes again. You have to just fix the text.
yeah. You have to just remove the unwanted CSS. There is some unwanted CSS. For example, like you can see, they would be like padding or hyphens, auto, or the color
Oh,
white, font size, font weight. So just remove them once and see the changes. So they won't be required much.
okay, sure, sure.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's it.
yeah. Thanks a lot for sharing and going through your PRs.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so let me share my screen. Yeah, so I think we covered everyone. Yeah, I think we covered everyone. So in case you have any question, so you can like ask, or you want to ask about these topics that we just told you about. You have any question about them, you can ask also about them.
Yeah, so I wanna like talk about the issues. The issue under the update, like slash issue 6710. Yes, this one. So can you please elaborate this issue, because I'm a bit confused about this.
Yeah.
Converting a learning to academic. Yeah.
Yeah, so basically initially we were not having the academy. For example, now if you will like, you can like, for example, let me show you. Whether this page, particularly this page here, explains like how you can use Layer 5 resources to learn about, for example, you want to learn about Meshri, you want to learn about Kubernetes, you want to learn about Docker. So we have some of like, we have like some docs and some courses that we have. They provide like you learning content that you can use to learn. And initially these were some of the things that we used to provide. Now we have one more thing that we call the academy. So for example, you can see if you will go to cloud.layer5.io, you will be able to see there will be, I will share this link in chat so that all of you can go through it. Yeah, so now we have the academy section. So here you can see you will be able to see all the courses that we offer. And all of these courses are basically like they are edited in a proper format. You don't have to jump from one side to another. You can just click on it and you can take this course. And the only, there's not the only thing that you will be able to, once you will enroll in this course, you will be like going through each of these chapters that are there, and you will be able to give quizzes also. So and then you will be also awarded a certificate based on the thing that you have like completed and passed. So that's the thing. Inside the learning with layer 5, we do provide like users with a list they can use to learn. And here we don't have like, we have not added anything related to the academy because we made academy last month. So you have to like update this page with the features that we have academy. You have to add academy, like you can learn using academy. These are the features of academy. So you have to add them here. Like Naman, if you want to say anything more.
No, I think it's good.
Yeah, so that's the thing. You have to update the handbook to learning, update handbook learning part to academy. Yeah.
Okay. So is there any documentation or something like that, like a Figma design or something like that, so that I can add it to in
Like
this
you,
page? Or,
like you have to just make text changes here. You don't have to like design anything here.
okay. Like
But just,
okay,
yeah, acknowledge that we have now these resources that you can use to learn.
getting it. Yeah.
In case you have any more, you can ask also in Slack, and you can also comment below the issue. Once you get assigned, you can ask like, I want to know, do we want we in this format or we want it like this? And we will like the, for example, we do this sites call, we do it for that. You are doing something and we are telling you, no, do it like this, or this is good. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's
Yeah.
all.
Yeah. Naman also shared some links in the chat. You can follow them. Okay. So guys, I think if you have any other issue, we have 2 minutes left. So then we will wind up. So I don't think there's anyone. So yeah, I think we also covered all of the issues.
Like, can you, Naman, can you assign this to me? Like, I'll
You can
just,
like comment, just comment below the
yeah,
issue. We'll solve it.
I'll just doing it.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
yeah. Thank you. Also, one thing, in case guys you are not able to find some good first issues, so we have already added some issues here that are not assigned yet to people, and they are good to go. And there you will also find one link. What this link does, basically it goes through all of the layer 5 open repositories, and it finds all of the good first and help wanted issues from the front end, from the back end, and from the doc section. So you can see there are around 399 good first issues, like basic issues that you can take. Some of them will be assigned to some people and others are not, you can see here. So but the core thing here is all of them are good first and help wanted, so you can like directly use them to get started. So this link I have be adding this in the chat box. Bye bye Matthew, thanks for joining us. So thanks a lot everyone for joining us today. I hope we are able to help you, and I hope we were able to provide authentic, like proper review on your PRs. So thanks a lot. We'll see you all in Slack. Bye bye.